Tesla semi-truck. In order to bring about a sea change in the trucking sector, Tesla has developed a revolutionary electric vehicle called the Tesla semi-truck. This product is offered in two distinct variants, one with a range of 300 miles, priced at $150,000, and another with a range of 500 miles, priced at $180,000. The performance capabilities of these trucks are really astounding, including the fact that they can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds while they are completely loaded. In addition, they come equipped with cutting-edge safety features and a central driver's position, which allows for improved sight. As a result of its lower energy consumption and the possibility of cost savings on gasoline, the Tesla semi-truck represents a significant step toward the development of environmentally responsible and efficient freight transportation. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus. The Mercedes-Benz Future Bus showcases semi-autonomous capabilities, marking a significant advancement in public transportation. The futuristic bus improves city transportation by utilizing Mercedes-Benz Actro's cutting-edge highway pilot technology to do things like accurately stop at bus stops, detect pedestrians, and recognize traffic lights. It integrates 10 cameras and radar sensors for an efficient and smooth voyage, operating at Level 2 autonomy. Although the exact cost is not made public, the investment in such state-of-the-art technology indicates its high market value. The Future Bus lays the groundwork for the next generation of urban transportation by demonstrating Mercedes-Benz's dedication to passenger security, onboard convenience, and environmental consciousness. This bus is going to revolutionize everyday transportation as trials progress, bringing together comfort and functionality for the smart cities of the future. Ford F-Vision electric truck. Conceptually, the Ford F-Vision electric truck represents the automaker's aspirations for commercial vehicle technology going forward. The design prioritizes efficiency and sustainability, with its emphasis on complete autonomy and electric propulsion. The F-Vision may not be for sale just yet, but with the release of the F-150 Lightning, Ford has taken giant leaps toward electrifying their fleet. Impressive characteristics of the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning, the company's first fully electric pickup truck, including a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 4.1 seconds and an EPA estimated range of up to 320 miles, with the extended range battery. With more amenities and performance capabilities offered by higher trim levels such as XLT, Lariat, and Platinum, the F-150 Lightning starts at $39,974 for the Pro variant. With an extended range battery and plush extras, the top-tier Platinum model begins at $90,874. Willy Transparent LCD Bus. An innovative new take on city transit, the Willy Bus is full of potential. The Tad Orlowski-designed side elevations are clad in see-through LCD panels. With this cutting-edge layout, travelers may enjoy educational displays or dynamic ads without sacrificing their view of the outside. The idea is to improve the commuting experience and revamp cityscapes by using current technological developments. No information is provided regarding the materials used to construct the organic frame upon which the see-through displays are mounted. There are concerns over the design's impact on energy consumption and safety when contrasted with conventional buses, despite the design's emphasis on form and function. A number of European towns expressed interest in the Willy bus concept, but it was ultimately decided not to proceed due to the substantial regulatory and technological hurdles it had to overcome. Hyundai HDC6 Neptune. Commercial transportation has never been more innovative than with the Hyundai HDC6 Neptune, a revolutionary concept that showcases Hyundai's dedication to fuel cell electric truck technology with zero carbon emissions. Honoring the Roman deity of the seas, the HDC6 Neptune represents the immense possibilities of hydrogen fuel, the most plentiful element in the cosmos, and an encouraging avenue for sustainable energy. By providing a more environmentally friendly option to conventional diesel-powered trucks, Hyundai hopes to transform the commercial vehicle industry with the HDC6 Neptune. In addition to being a giant leap into the future of logistics, the HDC6 Neptune represents a giant stride towards environmentally sustainable transportation. The aerodynamic streamliner railway train sets of the 1930s served as an inspiration for the HDC6 Neptune's design, which is influenced by the Art Deco movement. Scania NXT. Scania's NXT is an innovative idea for city transportation that aims to address the many different demands placed on metropolitan areas. Depending on the hour of the day, this autonomous battery-powered vehicle may switch gears and go from being a commuter bus to a delivery truck or even a garbage collector. Thanks to this modular design, the vehicle may be used efficiently all day, every day. A lightweight composite construction and batteries installed under the floor improve space and weight distribution, making the NXT created with sustainability in mind. It has an impressive range of about 245 kilometers on current battery technology, and it weighs less than 8 tons. The NXT may be a concept car for the future, but it makes use of technology that are already on the market. It embodies Scania's aspiration for a sustainable and adaptable urban transportation system, as well as their dedication to constant innovation. Volvo VNL Truck. By prioritizing aerodynamic efficiency alongside driver comfort and safety, the Volvo VNL series is a technologically advanced vehicle. Starting with the roomy VNL 860 and working its way down to the economical VNL 300, the VNL series offers a range of models to suit a variety of demands. Depending on the model and specs, the simplest option for a VNL 860 can be found for roughly $155,000, though prices can vary. Costs begin at around $136,925 for the VNL 300. The quality and innovation that Volvo is known for are integrated into every VNL truck. For example, the VNL 860 is the top-of-the-line model. It has a 77-inch sleeper and a high roof, making it ideal for long-distance trips and the comfort of team drivers. A 70-inch sleeper gives drivers plenty of room to comfortably manage everyday tasks in the best-selling VNL 760 variant. Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. A giant leap into logistics' future is the Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. Its futuristic technology, which includes a completely autonomous car, is expected to shake up the transportation sector. With its suite of sensors and technologies, the truck can navigate highways safely and efficiently on its own, eliminating the need for a human driver. Even though it was introduced in 2014, the idea still represents a roadmap for long-distance transportation in the future. Improved transportation efficiency, safer roads for everyone, less fuel consumption, and less carbon dioxide emissions are all goals of the Future Truck 2025. It's all a part of Daimler Truck's Shaping Future Transportation program, which aims to reduce emissions and save resources. Soft curving surfaces represent both efficiency and emotion, and the truck's design follows Mercedes-Benz's sensual purity philosophy. Next Future Transportation. An innovative concept called Next Future Transportation is set to transform the way we go to work. The system integrates the best features of both individual mobility and public transportation in a modular fashion. The concept involves electric pods that can respond to passengers' demands in real time, connect with each other while in motion, and be summoned using an app. Italian industrial designer Tommaso Gecellin is now working on the concept for the system. There is no need for extra infrastructure, since each pod may carry up to 10 people and runs on existing routes. By coordinating all of the network's pods, the virtual infrastructure's cloud-based routing system optimizes traffic flow and energy efficiency. Such state-of-the-art technology comes at a hefty price. Consider the $150,000 EHang 216 autonomous aerial vehicle, which takes a similarly futuristic approach to Next. Iveco Z-Truck, revolutionizing long-distance transportation. The Iveco Z-Truck is an innovative concept vehicle. Its zero-impact design meets the rising need for environmentally friendly transportation options. Thanks to its state-of-the-art aerodynamics, waste heat recovery, and improved liquefied natural gas technology, the Z-Truck achieves zero emissions from start to finish. It goes so far as to endorse biomethane, which can reduce or eliminate emissions of carbon dioxide to almost nothing. With its active and preventive safety features, the Z-Truck prioritizes safety above all else and strives to achieve a zero-accident rate. The possibility of fully automated driving, which would improve both road safety and efficiency, is part of this. Maximizing comfort and productivity, the driver-centered design of the cab creates a stress-free atmosphere that can be adjusted to accommodate driving, autonomous driving, office work, or relaxing. Walmart Advanced Truck. Walmart's commitment to enhancing fleet efficiencies and reducing emissions is exemplified by the Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience Truck, which is a cutting-edge innovation in the transportation industry. The Wave Truck is a prototype that was developed in partnership with Peterbilt, Roush Engineering, Great Dane Trailers, and Capstone Turbine. Its purpose is to demonstrate the potential of hybrid, aerodynamic, and alternative fuel technology. The Wave Truck, which is equipped with a capstone turbine that is able to operate on a variety of fuels, including diesel and liquid natural gas, provides a 20% reduction in aerodynamic drag, which translates to around a 10% boost in fuel economy. The use of carbon fiber components into its design results in a reduction in the vehicle's bulk by 4,000 pounds, which consequently enables it to transport extra cargo. Transit Elevated Bus. The Transit Elevated Bus, also known as the Straddling Bus or Land Air Bus, is a novel public transport concept designed to navigate above-road traffic. Originating from a proposal in 1969 by American architects Craig Hodgetts and Lester Walker, the TB gained significant attention when a working-scale model was presented at the 2016 Beijing International High-Tech Expo. The vehicle's design allows it to straddle two traffic lanes, with its undercarriage riding along the edges of the lanes and accommodating other vehicles to pass underneath. The TEB's passenger compartment spans the width of two traffic lanes and stands at a height of 4,000 to 4,500 millimeters, comparable to a tractor trailer, ensuring that most roadway overpasses will not pose an issue. It operates along a fixed route, with the option to modify roads by laying rails or painting lines for autopilot technology. Volvo Electric Bus. As an environmentally friendly and economically viable substitute for older diesel buses, the Volvo 7900 electric bus is a game-changer in the realm of public transportation. It is created to fulfill the demands of contemporary communities striving for zero emissions and noise pollution, with a starting price of $97,350, not including taxes and other extras. The electric buses from Volvo are designed with high-performance drivelines and transmissions that have been optimized to provide exceptional drivability and torque, even in the most difficult of environments. This electric bus from Volvo is perfect for high-capacity routes since it comes in two articulated lengths, 12 and 18 meters, and can carry up to 150 passengers. The electric